Hey guys, it's Jessica and welcome back to another video. You guessed it, today we're checking out another cool palette. Like the other two, it's also Disney themed. The ColourPop Frozen 2 Anna Powder Palette. Wait, it's called the Anna Pressed Powder Palette. ColourPop has it on their website, but I got it on sale at Ulta. It's real tiny and compact and it's got like little glitter details on it. And then when you open it up, it's got a cute little mirror in it. I think the colors in here are so beautiful. Like I love this wind color and fearless for like a transition shade, really sparkly gold in the middle. Those are just so pretty. We're gonna play with these today. I think we should go in with fearless. It's kind of pink, muted pink color sort of. And then to deepen it, I think I'm gonna go in with charades. Again, they're ColourPop shadows, so like they're blending well, they have good pigment. I don't know if I really see the point in reviewing ColourPop eyeshadows because they're always good, I mean. I think I'm gonna go in with this Autumn Breeze color. It's like this dark purple. I'm gonna put that underneath of my eye. Ooh, that's dark. Pulling that out a little bit. I'm trying to decide if I wanna do this on my lid, but I kind of really want to go in with gold. Okay, this is called Warm Hugs, and it's kind of a pinky nude color, and it's got like gold sparkles in it. Ooh, that's really pretty. I really like that a lot. You probably can't see the sparkles, but it's got little gold sparkles in it. Earth is the powdery gold one. Ooh, that's really pretty too. The one I'm really into is this middle one called Arendelle. Ooh, shit, glitter, oh my gosh. That is so pretty. I feel like I have to use that one. I mean, they're all pretty, let's be real. I'm gonna start with Warm Hugs. I don't know, it's a little darker than I wanted it to be. Put Arendelle on top. Oh my goodness, man. Look at that. Look at that shit. And that is just like sticking to my eyelid so well. And I don't have any kind of glitter base down, and it's just sticking really well. And then I'm gonna use Scooch in as, I'm gonna try highlighting my brow bone with that and see how that looks. I don't know why this was on sale at Ulta. It's a really cute palette. And that is it for this look. I did the same thing on the other eye, and then I put some eyeliner mascara on, and I think it turned out pretty cute. I know that was a really short, kind of lame review, but I mean, it's ColourPop. What the fuck do you want me to say? It's good, it's cute, the packaging, the branding's cute, the eyeshadows are cute, they're good. So I guess that's it.